Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can feel like a jumble of jargon and ever-changing platforms. You hear whispers of Bitcoin fortunes, whispers of limbos, but then you hit a roadblock. How do you even buy the stuff? Well, fear not, intrepid investor. Today we're here to shed light on one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, Kraken. Kraken boasts a reputation for being a secure and reliable platform, but with all exchanges, there's one key question: what currencies do they accept? Because let's be honest, nobody wants to jump through hoops just to get started in the crypto game. You don't want to sign up with an exchange, only to discover they don't accept your local currency. That's a recipe for frustration, and we're all about making your crypto journey smooth sailing. So, buckle up crypto comrades, and let's dive into the world of Kraken's accepted currencies. Fiat to crypto, your gateway to the digital gold rush. First things first, let's talk fiat currency. Fiat, for those new to the crypto space, is the traditional government-issued money we all use, your US dollars, euros, Japanese yen, you name it. The good news is Kraken understands that most of us aren't millionaires dealing exclusively in Bitcoin. They cater to the average investor, offering a variety of fiat deposit options. Here's a breakdown of the most common fiat currencies accepted by Kraken. United States dollar, USD, the granddaddy of them all. USD is widely accepted on most cryptocurrency exchanges, and Kraken is no exception. Euro, our European friends are well catered to, with euro deposits being a breeze. Canadian dollar, CAD, thinking of joining the crypto craze from the Great White North? You can fund your Kraken account with CAD. British pound, GBP, no need to wait for tea time to get started. British investors can use GBP to buy their crypto fix. Japanese yen, JPY, yen deposits are another option, opening the doors for our Japanese crypto enthusiasts. Australian dollar, AUD, day Aussie crypto fans. Kraken accepts AUD for your investment needs. Beyond the big leagues, exploring less common fiat options. While the currencies listed above are the heavy hitters, Kraken goes a step further, offering support for a surprising number of less common fiat currencies. This makes it a great option for investors from around the globe. Here are a few examples. Swiss franc, CHF. Swedish krona, SEK. Norwegian krone, NOK. Polish zloty, PLN. Mexican peso, MXN. Thinking outside the fiat box, funding your crypto dreams with stablecoins. Now, what if you're not comfortable holding traditional fiat currency in your exchange account? Maybe you're worried about exchange rates or transaction fees. Well, fret no more. Kraken also allows you to fund your account using stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a fiat currency, typically the USD. This means their value remains relatively stable, unlike other cryptocurrencies known for their wild price swings. Kraken supports deposits with some of the most popular stablecoins, including Tether, USDT, USD Coin, USDC, Binance USD, BUSD. By using stablecoins, you can avoid the volatility of the fiat market while still enjoying the benefits of the cryptocurrency world. Navigating the Kraken seas, a final word. With a vast selection of fiat and stablecoin options, Kraken positions itself as a user-friendly platform for investors of all stripes. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or a curious newcomer, Kraken offers a smooth entry point into the exciting world of digital currencies. Remember, this is just a starting point. It's always wise to check Kraken's official website for the latest information on accepted currencies and any potential fees associated with deposits and withdrawals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto sailing.